don't know why that happens in a cupboard or why planes have to fly overhead. Here's a question on the Tove survey, because we know you love them, and thank you so much for answering them and being a part of them. I don't know if you've ever noticed this, just discussing the idea of planes, but does it seem that they arrive within earshot quicker than they leave? You know what I mean? Like, here's the space. Here you are. You. Here comes plane. Plane. You hear the plane, okay?
How does it go?
Well, it's. I mean, most jets are like, I'm polluting the air. Dun, 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 dun. Anyway, we love flying, but nonetheless, it's bad for the environment. You were just cruising, and suddenly there was the plane. But having been with you for a while, it seems to take much longer to leave your earshot than it does to take up.
Ah.
Do you agree?
It's almost like an ice cream van.
Near, 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 near. And there goes our mother doing the 100-meter hurdles. Finding her purse. What do you mean it costs 72 Rand for an ice cream? But if you have some thoughts, or perhaps if you're a pilot or a sound engineer or technician or just somebody who knows.
Ice cream.
Well, not ice cream, aircraft, and why the sound comes into earshot. We'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to know what the answer is.